Mutianyu Great Wall opening hours. Essential information before you go. Planning a trip to the Mutianyu Great Wall. Knowing the opening hours is crucial for organizing your itinerary. The Mutianyu section is open year-round, with operating hours from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. For a quieter and more immersive experience, it is recommended to arrive early in the morning when there are fewer visitors, and the lighting is perfect for photography. If you plan to visit in the afternoon, be sure to enter in advance, as the cable car and shuttle bus services typically stop operating 30 minutes before closing. BusDa offers a hassle-free travel experience, ensuring you reach Mutianyu comfortably and on time. With our direct shuttle service and professional English-speaking guides, you won't have to worry about transportation or ticket arrangements. Choose BusDa to avoid shopping detours and time constraints, and enjoy the breathtaking beauty of the Mutianyu Great Wall at your own pace.